Hey everyone! So today we'll be making one of my personal favorite foods, this homemade guacamole. It's salty yet tangy and smooth yet chunky, and it rivals Chipotle any day. Just kidding. So we're making guacamole. We need avocados. We'll be using 2 in this recipe. Then, of course, a little bit of tomato for some texture. You know I like texture. Then some lime juice. Salt, of course. And pepper. Then we'll be using some red chili powder. And then, of course, a bunch of cilantro, both for garnishing and for inside the guac for texture. Then we'll be using soy sauce, just to give it extra oomph. And optional, but you can use some salsa if you just want the cilantro and tomato flavor all in one package. So to start, we'll just slice our avocados in half. This is one of the most satisfying parts of the recipe, honestly. Just look at that. So now get a large bowl to mix everything in, and we'll start by just scraping out the avocado from the shell. So now that all your avocado is out, we can move on to just mushing it with a fork or your preferred tool of mushing. Excuse my mom there. Now we'll add in some more seasoning, so salt, pepper, some red chili powder, be generous with it, and the lime juice. Remember, we're seasoning and tasting every step of the way. Now once you've gotten to a fairly chunky consistency, add in some more seasoning, and some more pepper, some more lime, and this is my secret ingredient. I like to just add a splash of soy sauce to give it that umami kind of aftertaste background to it. Just adds a lot of depth to your otherwise normal guacamole. Some more red chili powder, seasonings. Now once your avocado gets to a nice consistency that you like, switch over to a spoon so you avoid mashing any avocado when stirring your ingredients in. Now we'll set our bowl aside once you have everything incorporated, and we'll move on to slicing our tomato. So just give it a nice dice here. My knife skills need some work, so I had my mom help me here. So now that we have our tomato nice and ready, we'll move on to our cilantro. So just get about maybe a tablespoon or 2. More if you like it. I'm not a huge fan, but adds a nice flavor. And chop that up finely. Now we'll just incorporate everything into our mixture. Now we can just get out a serving bowl and start putting our guacamole in. And there we are. Look how beautiful that is. You can just garnish with some tomato, cilantro, whatever you want. And it's perfect just to put on top of toast, to have it with some chips, just to have it on its own. It's amazing. It's such a versatile thing. And yeah, thanks for joining me. See you guys tomorrow.